Now, regard this beautiful vintage Lord of the Rings Spectrum computer game from 1985. Yes, and I do believe these will increase in value. And look how thick this box is. It's so thick. And the smell, the 1980s. As you probably guessed, the reason this box is so thick is because it includes the Lord of the Rings book inside, as mentioned on the top left there. But I love this cover art, this innocent looking cartoony cover art. There's a wraith there, some more wraiths drowning in the river there, and there is Gandalf with the Fellowship in the caves, and a lovely little face in the stars, which I believe is Sauron, but I'm not completely sure about that. If we turn to the spine of this game box, there you see the Melbourne House logo, the company that developed this game, and on the back there is no screenshots as it is a text-based adventure game of the book. Now there you can see some damage to the box there that will decrease the value of this copy, but I'm not too concerned about that. Let's open it up. There are 2 cassette tapes here, as it is quite a large game, but look at the condition of this book. Excellent condition. The box may be beaten, but the book looks great. Here is the instructions for this game. Yes, very nice, with the cute artwork on the front there. Underneath that we have, now look at this. I love this. A look through a window to a 1980s gamer who has lovingly scrawled some notes about this game. Yes, isn't that wonderful? And it's not that uncommon to find handwritten notes within vintage games like this one. Another reason why I love collecting them so.